Instagram's back up. Instagram's back up. So, going live today. Hold on. Let me put my hair down. Alright, yep, y'all see it. Alright, y'all see it. Because this is the one and final message for anybody who wants to donate to CarbonNation. First and final message. Y'all are getting one warning. My page is public. There's no excuse. Y'all get one warning. Uno. Uno. One. Ni. No, that's two. That's two in Japanese. That's two in Japanese. Hold on. Y'all are getting one fucking warning. You're gonna be put on an investigation, dumbass, okay? Especially if y'all use PayPal. Their PayPal is under investigation right fucking now, okay? Their PayPal is under an investigation right now, okay? Anybody that donates to their PayPal will be under that investigation, okay? Their PayPal is under investigation for money laundering and fraud, alright? If you continue and is going to are going to be in trouble because one, you're funding a cult, okay? And two, you are funding a cult that is planning to escape from an investigation that is going on internationally. The FBI knows, Nicaragua knows, Palenque knows. It's international. Y'all are going to get in trouble. Now, do I have to repeat myself? I have to repeat myself. Huh? Okay? I'm gonna repeat myself one more time because I know some people are a little slow. Okay? I'm gonna sit down for this one. Okay? Okay? For the people in the back. If you donate to CarbonNation, especially through their PayPal, because their PayPal is under investigation right fucking now, okay? If you donate to their PayPal, your name will be docked. Your first and last name will be docked. Because you have to have a first and last name to use that PayPal. Your bank account is going to be routed to figure out who the fuck you are. They're going to figure out who you are, and you are going to also be put under investigation for funding a cult, A, and for B, for funding a cult that is also trying to escape a fucking investigation. You are going to be in trouble. Period. For all these people that want to say, oh, I'm going to donate $500, oh, I'm going to donate my whole check, y'all better be careful with that because you're in Babylon. They can get you a lot easier than they can get them. Trust and believe. You know that these people are going to be on the run again as soon as Eligio's out. They're going to run away. They're not going to use that money to get a lawyer because first and foremost, he's not going to get a lawyer. You want to know why? Because Nature Boy's going to jail, period, point blank. Ain't shit that lawyer could fucking do that could defend him enough to where he could drop all his fucking charges. Ain't no way. Ain't no way in hell. Especially when we got the nigga saying it his fucking self. The nigga saying it himself. He's saying it out of his own mouth, okay? It ain't no clip, it ain't no manipulation, it ain't no Photoshop, it ain't no nothing. You ain't got no fucking lawyer, nigga. Because first and foremost, nigga, you're going to fucking jail. Period. There is nothing that you can do that can drop your fucking charges, my nigga. What are his charges? I'm not specifically sure, but I will tell you, the neighbor has saw Nature Boy punch the shit out of Eliana, and they thought Eliana was a little girl because how fucking small she is. That's what happened. That's what happened. And I heard, and when I get home, I'm going to play the clip. Eliana said out of her own fucking mouth, "Did you think they saw us?" Nature Boy said, "Unfortunately, yes." So they know. They're trying to blame it on us to make them seem innocent as fuck. No, the only reason why they know his name is because he's already under investigation. And people have been saying and calling, "Yo, he's over here. Yo, he's over here. Yo, he's over here. Hey, Malika, he's over here." They are keeping you documented because people are giving them a tip. They say, "Yo, they're over here." We're not fucking stupid. You want to try to blame us for some shit like that? Nah, nigga, the neighbors. It's in, if y'all go look on YouTube, the YouTuber's name is The T, and she posts everything, he or she, I don't know specifically, but they post everything from CarbonNation. It is all there. All of it. All of it. From the time that your boy said, "I allow my son to touch my penis till today." Till today. Is he out? I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure he's not. I'm pretty sure he's not. Where are her bruises? I'm not sure. I don't know the specific timeline, but a lot of people said that Nicaragua police do not get there immediately, so I'm not exactly sure. Hey, so I'm gonna show y'all that clip. And I'm going to show y'all everything that happened from start to finish, the investigation, the chase, and from them asking for donations so we can get the whole timeline straight. So everybody knows what's going on specifically. Because I know some people got a snippet of this and some people got a snippet of that. But let me tell you this, baby. If they continue what the fuck they're doing, every single one of them niggas is going to jail. My only concern is those children. Because once you have a children in a system in a different country, it is going to be extremely hard for these family members to get those children out of that system, especially from another country, especially when they were born in that country, and especially when those babies do not have the proper paperwork to leave the country. That is my biggest issue, because these niggas seem to fail and realize that they are still... That was a B, okay? Leave me alone. That was a B. But these people fail to realize without proper fucking documentation, right? You can't leave the country. Especially when the baby is born there. That is all of those kids, let me just tell you this. All of those kids did not have a birth certificate. Not all of those kids that was there had a birth certificate. Okay? Y'all over here clowning me. Stop. It was a fucking B, okay? It was a B. Y'all know I don't fuck with bugs like that. Y'all know I don't mess with bugs like that. I'm telling y'all. I'm just telling y'all now. We are on his ass. Hashtag keep Alicia Bishop in prison, because that's where he needs to be. And if y'all are going to continue to try to manipulate everybody and continue to try to take donations from people, then every single one of y'all over there needs to be in there. Cherry, you look like a Matrix, LOL. Girl, I don't even know what that means. Be dangerous. I'm the same about a damn B. Only 2 kids there. They already said they got the baby passport. You got my attention when you did that. Everybody needs to call the embassy. That's the problem, though. When we have people like us or regular people that call the embassy that don't got calling cards, that's like $10 a fucking call. You feel me? So not everybody could call, but the people that do have a calling card that's not that expensive, y'all need to call. Y'all need to say something. Y'all need to really put pressure on these motherfuckers, because we are putting pressure. Let me tell you, pressure breaks pipes. We always know that. Pressure breaks pipes. And because that Nicaragua is aware of this nigga, and a lot of people in Nicaragua wanted to say, I just want to go up there and kill that nigga. They are in a dangerous spot right now. So we are putting pressure on him to not only turn himself in, one, two, make sure that he sends those people back over there, because once it's over and once he goes to jail, they're all going to jail. They're all going to jail. Let me see what y'all saying. Eligio won't last 2 to 3 weeks being locked up with his illness. It's damn right. The nigga gonna be like, ugh, you got HIV? The fuck? They need to send those clips of him grooming his followers about death. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, because right now, Eligio is not seen as a threat or a danger to the country. Now, I'm about to be on the move, so y'all may hear a couple shit. But Eligio does not seem like a threat or a danger to the country, okay? Before, that's when we started saying, yo, they got diseases, yo, they're putting other people that are citizens there in danger because they got diseases and they're not telling them this, that, and got women over there prostituting themselves that is also putting citizens in danger. That's how you inform them, because he's putting those citizens in danger by having his presence around. So, for any motherfucker that want to try to give him some fucking excuse or want to try to say, oh, he didn't mean that, or it was a joke. No, you do not joke about no sick ass shit, especially saying, oh, just jack off and give her some cum. Like, you gonna feed your daughter some cum, she wanna say it's a fucking joke? That shit ain't no fucking joke. When you play with kids, you don't say no fucking joke like that. The fuck? I'm talking about semen is knowledge, bitch. Just because semen got vitamin B in it, vitamin B, don't mean that's fucking knowledge. Don't mean that you can feed that to a whole fucking baby. The fuck is wrong with you? The fuck is wrong with you? You seem like the type of bitch that will allow your nigga to molest your child and then blame the child for the shit. The fuck? Hold on, let me turn the brightness up so I can see. Hold on. Let me see what y'all talking about. They don't care about going to prison. Did you see how the women that follow Charles Manson? Facts. It's even more dangerous than cartel. They could kill a few people. Where's proof that the women were prostituting? Well, Pops did say that. Aya was out there, so I'm not specifically sure. But I know thing for one damn sure. One, they can't have a fucking lawyer because, first of all, who the fuck is he gonna sue? Hey, Empress, but who the fuck is he gonna sue? Who is he gonna sue? Like, who is he gonna sue? Like, be like, I'ma take you to court. For what? What you gonna take people to court for? What do you need a lawyer for? I thought you didn't need Babylon shit. I thought you was free to live in nature and be a man. I thought you was free to beat all women like you want to, without no fucking consequence. What happened to that? I thought you said you was never gonna hear that Nature Boy was in jail. What happened to that? Seems like when you cut them fucking antennas off your head, you started losing your whole entire goddamn mind. Aya was tricking to help them, keep them afloat with donations. You know what? I'm not even gonna start with that. You know what pisses me off even more? You know what makes me mad even more? That ain't gonna take no part of that. I heard since Eliano's born, That nigga talk about EJ, Osiris, Pocahontas' son, or I haven't heard him talk about none of those kids. I ain't heard him talk about none of those kids. What the fuck did he need a lawyer to get out of there? Niggas get killed over there. You wanna fucking, does this make sense to you? Does this make sense to you? I want a Nicaraguan lawyer. Okay, I don't speak fucking Spanish, even though I've been in this country I've been in this, South America. I've been in a South American country for over 3 years. I want a Spanish-speaking lawyer so we could just Google translate our communication so he could get me out of jail, even though there's an investigation going on that has incriminating evidence of me saying some shit. They want an English-speaking lawyer. Good luck with that shit. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. He wants this to be a war, then shit, nigga, it's a war. I want this nigga out of this. I want this nigga off of this internet. Oh, it's over. And he's trying to fight. Nah, it's over. That's why we gotta stand tall. They get big time for these foreign countries too, and that's facts. You could go to jail for 5 to 6 years waiting on a trial. Just waiting for the This is the thing. All I can say is good luck with that. That isn't gonna work. Because FBI is already involved. The FBI is already involved. So, how is that gonna work? The only lawyer he's gonna need is in court when he gets prosecuted. And even then, he better have the fucking dream team come back alive to fucking help him. Because that nigga's going to jail. Shit. How much is his bail? I don't know. But like I said, that nigga's gonna need fucking, what's his name? Robert Kardashian and the other dream team members to fucking rise from the fucking dead to help his ass, because he's not getting out of jail. He's not gonna get away from prison time. Won't they use that money that Chief has stashed, his runaway money? Exactly, he has money. He has money. They're not stupid. We're not stupid. He has money. Ezekiel always has money. He just wants to fucking pay for shit. He has money saved up. He has no money. They come back from the dead to help his ass. He spent that runaway money to get to Nicaragua. Pop said he has money stashed. He does have money stashed. Nature Boy's not stupid. He isn't stupid. I'ma head out. Once I come back, I'm about to play everything so we can get this shit in order. We're gonna get this shit in order. Maybe some call-ins if we can, but that's pretty much it and everything that's gonna be going on right now. So I'll see y'all guys later.